Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create a Nursery Rhymes video in VideoExpress, which is a fun generative AI video creation app. So let me briefly explain the overall process. First, we need to make sure that you've set up the API integration between the three apps, which are essentially CloneVoice, Artistly, and VideoExpress. And I've created separate tutorials for each of these. Next, in the previous video, I showed you how to create the Nursery Rhymes audio MP3 file in CloneVoice and also how to generate the images in Artistly. Finally, in this video, I'm going to show you how to animate the images and put it all together. So this is the previous tutorial that I mentioned. So I'm logged into my VideoExpress account. This is the basic video editor that we will be using. Click on Import Media in the right side toolbar because we need to first import the images from Artistly. From this pop-up panel, choose Import from Artistly. And these are all of the images that were created. I'm going to click on each of these images to essentially select them individually like so. And then click on Import. It will then start importing all of the selected images and then give you a confirmation saying that the images will be saved in the My Artistly Images folder. Now let's click on Media Library in the right side toolbar, and from these folders go to the My Artistly Images folder, and here are the imported images, and we need to animate them individually. So click on Create with AI in the right side toolbar. And from this panel, choose Image to Video. From this pop-up panel, click on Select. And from this dialog box, scroll down and click on My Artistly Images. These images are imported in specific order, so start with the first one. Now, before you start this process, I would suggest listening to the audio file so you have a good visual idea. So I'll select this one and then click Choose. So here is the image. This video action prompt box will be automatically populated, and you can change it if you wish, but I'm just going to use it as is. Next, I'll use this drop down and then choose 3D. I'll uncheck this box, and then I'll check this box so that the video will be extended up to 8 seconds. And then I'll click on Create Video. It'll then start processing the video and then bring you back to this dialog box with a notification saying that your video clip will appear in the media library once completed. I'll close this dialog box. And then we essentially need to repeat the process of animating each of the images. So you would click on Image to Video like I showed you earlier, and then essentially follow the same steps that I showed you earlier as I'm showing you once again so you can just see what the process is. So let me close this dialog box, and then I'll click on Media Library in the right side toolbar. I'll go to the My AI Videos folder, and here you'll see the status of the videos rendering. You can create up to 5 videos at a time as they render, so just pace yourself as you render each of the video clips. As you can see here, these are all of the video clips I rendered, and you may need to click this More button to see all of the video clips. Next, we need to drag and drop each of the clips in order into the timeline below on the top track, like so. I would suggest that you start with the first few clips like I did here, and then use this back button, and then go to the My CloneVoice AI folder. And here is the audio that we imported from CloneVoice. And then I'll essentially just drag and drop this audio file onto the track just below all of the video clips like so. You can then use these buttons to zoom in and zoom out of the timeline, like so. Now before we proceed any further, let's just save this project. I'll click on Save at the top, and from this dialog box, I'll give it a project name, and then click on Save. You'll get a confirmation. Now let's go back to editing. You can adjust these clips by using these buttons to match the audio as you listen to it. Now I'm not going to go into the details of the editing process, but let me play the first part so you can see how it came out.
Hello, hello there, little friend so keen. Let's explore the year, a wondrous scene. From sleepy, quiet, quiet to a vibrant hum. Let's see what magic is to come. When spring arrives, the wakes, the littles fill the lakes. We splash and jump with happy feet, pitter patter.
Initially, it may seem a bit tedious, but just be patient with yourself. But like I said earlier, just work with the first few clips and then move on to the next few clips. So I went ahead and adjusted all of the video clips to align them to the Nursery Rhymes audio, as you can see. And once you're happy with it, click on Export at the top. And from this dialog box, you can adjust these settings as needed or leave them as default and then click on Create. It will then start the rendering process to generate the MP4 video. And once completed, you can click My Videos at the top. And from this dialog box, you'll see the MP4 video that was rendered. With these buttons, you can play, download, and delete it if needed. And you can check the link to the Nursery Rhymes video that I created at the end of this tutorial. If you'd like to get VideoExpress for a one-time discounted price, check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.